Good morning, all of you. Now we will start lecture 2, TG combination. TG combination means turbine and generation combination. The turbine and generator is the most important part of any power plant. This combination is known as the heart of the power plant. Now turbine. Turbine is a very light fan-like structure having many numbers of blades. It has an ability to rotate on its axis when water passes through it. Now generator. Generator is a device in which when there is rotation of coil between the strong magnetic field, then it produced an alternating current. You can see a diagram. This is a generator. This part is stator, rotor, turbine and turbine blades. Now discuss draft tube. Draft tube is an empty structure made beneath the turbine. It serves in following two purposes. It allows the turbine to be set above tailwater level without loss of head, to facilitate inspection and maintenance. It regains by diffuser action the major portion of the kinetic energy delivered to it from the runner. It increases the output power. Next, it increases the efficiency of hydropower plant. Now we will discuss penstock. Penstock is the most important topic in this subject. The penstock is the connecting pipe between the dam and the turbine house. It helps to increase the kinetic energy of the water coming from the dam. Penstock is made up of a very strong material which can sustain the high pressure of water. Now we will discuss powerhouse and equipment. Some more components are required for the proper user-friendly and smooth functioning of the power plant. These components are as follows. First one, valve. This is instrument which is used to control the pressure of flow of water. Second one, pumps. This device is used to send water or any fluid from lower potential to higher potential. Next, spillway. Spillway is the kind of channel provided besides the dam. Spillway is used to arrange the axis of accumulation of water on the dam because excess accumulation of water may damage the dam structure. Now sluice tank. Sluice tank also important role in hydropower plant. When there is a sudden closure or decrease in pressure due to control valve, then there is a backflow of water. This creates a high pressure zone in the penstock, due to which it may burst. This effect is known as water hammering effect. To avoid this, a tank is attached to the penstock which stores water in it. This tank is called as surge tank.